examination, Mr. Harrison is charged with count 1. Firearms offense, possession by a felon, a felony with a maximum penalty of up to 5 years. Count 2, possession by a felon of ammunition. Count 3, carrying a concealed weapon, a felony with a maximum penalty of up to 5 years. Count 4, felony firearm, third offense notice, a sentence with a consecutive sentence of 10 years. Habitual offender, third offense notice. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Warner on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. We please this honorable court. Brandon Bird on behalf of Marco Harrison, PA3734. Please set your full name for the record, Mr. Harrison.
Marco Rayshon Harrison.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
All right, today is the day set for the examination. How we proceeding today?
We will be waiving the exam, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Harrison, sir, could you raise your right hand? Sir, do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, Mr. Harrison, sir, today is the date set for your preliminary examination. It's my understanding you wish to waive your right to this hearing and proceed with circuit court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and sir, you understand that you do have the right to have this examination if you wanted to?
Yes.
All right, then this matter is going to be bound over to Third Circuit Court. What is our arraignment date?
AOI date is July 5th.
The arraignment date is July 5th, 2023 at
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Is there anything further from Mr. Carter?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank
Anything?
Nope, no, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, bond is continued. That concludes this hearing.
you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
Have a great day.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Your Honor.
Do you feel, Judge?
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you so much.
Yes, I'll get rest of your day.
Too.
Yes. Is the defense counsel and Sylvanus here? Oh.
Today's the 21st.
Yes.
25 minutes. Okay. Yes. Okay.
So Judge, I have a waiver, it's not on the document today,
Okay.
but they're just coming here early.
Yes, sir.
They're both on Zoom. Oh, you want me to talk to you?
I'm solid. Someone do Devin Alexander first. All right, this is State of Michigan versus Devon Alexander, case 23057-360. Today is the date set for a PCC. Mr. Alexander's charge, count 1, carrying concealed weapon, a felony with a maximum penalty of up to 5 years. Count 2, possession of a firearm by a felon, a felony with a maximum penalty of up to 5 years. Count 3, possession by a felon of ammunition, a felony with a maximum penalty of up to 5 years. Counts 4 and 5, felony firearm, both felonies with consecutive sentences of 2 years. Habitual offender's second offense notice. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Warner on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Judge. Warren McAlpine, P number 52522. I'm here on behalf of Devon Alexander, who's present appearing via Zoom with consent to the Zoom hearing.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Alexander. Could you unmute and say, state your name for the record?
Good morning. My name is Devon Alexander.
All right, thank you, Mr. Alexander. Mr. McAlpine, how are we proceeding in this matter today?
Judge, I had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Alexander regarding his statutory right to a preliminary exam. I explained to him the purpose of the exam as well as the probable cause standard. With that, Mr. Alexander informed me that he wants to waive that exam and have this matter bound over to the Third Circuit Court for further proceedings. He's doing so voluntarily and with knowledge. Is that correct, Mr. Alexander?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to speak up so everybody can hear.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Alexander. Sir, could you raise your right hand?
Yeah.
Sir, do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Alexander. Sir, you understand that you do have the right to have a preliminary examination?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you're waiving this examination with your own free will?
Yes, sir.
All right, this matter is going to be bound over to Third Circuit Court. The arraignment date is going to be, I'm sorry, I forgot it already.
That's okay, July 5th at 9 a.m.
July 5th at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, good to see you, Mr. McAlpine.
Same here. All right, have a great day, everybody.
All right, then.
I get to leave?
Yes, leave.
Yes, sir.
You can leave.
Okay.
All right, this is State of Michigan versus Alina Salinas, case 235726501. Today is the date set for a preliminary examination. Ms. Salinas is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, which is a felony with a maximum penalty of up to 5 years. Strike that 4 years. Count 2, domestic violence, a misdemeanor. Today is the date set for preliminary exam. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Warren on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Carol Hetta Sprinkle, P49898, on behalf of Ms. Alina Salinas.
All right, good morning, Ms. Sprinkle. Ms. Salinas, could you state your name for the record?
Alina Salinas.
All right, thank you. Good morning, Ms. Salinas. All right, today is the date set for a preliminary exam. People ready to proceed in this matter?
The people are unable to proceed as the necessary witnesses failed to appear.
All right, Ms. Sprinkle.
We move for dismissal, Judge.
All right, this matter be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge.
Is there
Thank
any
you, Your
further?
Honor.
Matter is concluded. Thank you all. Good to see you, Ms. Sprinkle.
You too, Judge. Last one, Judge.
Right here, sir.
Are you?
I gotta find out from him. I'm trying to. We're waiting.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, it's just a form here, right? Just a piece.
Just
Oh, I know. I got you. Hey,
yes.
okay. Yes, it's a wait.
I'll get you for that.
It's not on. Yeah, you don't have to, but is he still on the phone? Yeah, I do, because I don't want to put everything over.
Okay.
It's in my trial bag. Never mind, young, what's your name?
Alex Warren.
Moringa? Okay.
I'm not, I just.
Okay, here you go. You can still try. Can you have this on back too?
Let me talk to the RCA.
What you
Yeah,
say?
Oh,
I'm
yes,
sorry.
oh, that's just me, thank you. Yes, yes, oh, I see, you want to call that, that's. I could try. Here you go. Pass it. Is that the right seat?
No, he's outside though.
Okay, good. Yeah, before we all start melting, because it's only so long before I start.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, State of Michigan versus Raheem Zegler, case CR233057087. Today is the date set for an exam. Mr. Ziegler is charged with one count of possession of controlled substance narcotic, which is a felony with a maximum penalty of up to 4 years. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Waringa on behalf of the people, P number P86590.
Judge, good morning to you and your staff, Lillian Diallo, P52036, on behalf of Mr. Ziegler, who is present to my right.
All right, good morning, Mr. Ziegler. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
Brian Ziegler.
All right, thank you, sir.
Ma'am, this is the date time set for a preliminary exam. I had an opportunity to speak with my client, explain to him that the prosecutor, just at this level, very low burden, must show probable cause that a crime was committed, probably by him, City of Detroit, County of Wayne. At this time, Mr. Ziegler wishes to waive his right to a preliminary exam. Understanding will be bound over to the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. And if we want to have a trial later, we can have a trial later. You understand that, Mr. Ziegler?
Yes.
All right.
All right, Mr. Ziegler, sir, could you raise your right hand? Sir, do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Ziegler, sir,
Hand down.
put your hand down. Sir, you understand that you do have the right to have the preliminary examination if you wanted to?
Yes.
All right. Sir, I'm gonna bind this matter over to the Third Circuit Court. The arraignment date is July 5th, 2023 at 9 o'clock. Is there anything further?
July 5th. Happy, well, they ain't not for today. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, then that concludes the hearing.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so step out there for me.